Good morning, boys and girls. It is Wednesday, May 6th. I miss you all very much. And I thought I'd do something a little different this week because we have so much to celebrate, okay? We have May the 4th, we celebrated May the 4th be with you. It's a famous Star Wars phrase. May the Force be with you. Okay. Yesterday we celebrated Cinco de Mayo, and Sunday is going to be Mother's Day. So I've included activities on each topic, okay? And I have a mix here of reading, coding, or maker activity that I want you to try at least one, okay? One reading, one coding, or one maker activity. Of course, you could do as much as you wish, okay? But try at least one. So I'm going to go through, okay, with some read aloud choices. Now, this time you are going to go into Epic and log in. Okay, I'm going to show you how to do that in case we have any questions. Okay, remember everything we do is free. I don't want you to pay for anything. We have a library account for Epic. I'll show you in a sec. So this is choice number one here. Okay, and my choices are, of course, you can read other books on other topics. Okay, and there are more on Mother's Day, Cinco de Mayo, and the topic of not exactly Star Wars, but stars, the planets. Okay, so I chose to focus on mother and baby animals here. All right, so we have two choices with that read to me function that you can go through, flip through the pages, and have the story read to you as well. So that's mother and baby zoo animals, okay, for the Mother's Day theme, and stars for the Star Wars theme. The two books, they don't have a read to me function, so that might be more of a challenge for you. You can practice your reading or have somebody help you read through. We have Animal Mothers and a book about Cinco de Mayo. Okay, I believe there's one book about Cinco de Mayo that has the read to me function available. Okay, if you want to go ahead and search, or if you click on this book, it should give you related books and you can find it there. Your second choice is a little maker activity or a paper craft. It's a paper tulip origami. Okay, so let me click on the view here. Okay, so origami, most often you just need square paper. So I do see a scissor here, and it's just really used if you have rectangle, regular size paper, you're going to need to cut it into squares. You can also cleverly fold and carefully tear to make your square, okay? You might want to add a little glue at this point, okay, to hold your tulip together. These are tulips. I thought they'd be cute for Mother's Day to share with any mother that you know. Okay, you can leave them by themselves. You can maybe paste them onto a card. Okay, so you might need a little glue. Over here are related videos, related paper crafts. I see some spring activities. Okay, again, use these videos with permission. This is the link that I want you to use. And let's go back to our coding activities. Code.org has some Star Wars coding levels, okay, with Ray and BB-8. Okay, there are two choices. One's a little more challenging than the other using the repeat block. So let's go through code.org and then I'll go back and show you how to access these specific titles in Epic. Okay, so let's go to this is suggested for pre-K and kindergarten, first and second grade. You can certainly use this level as well. Okay, this focuses just on programming. Remember, the diamonds are the videos. There are a total of 12 levels. You can go up to 6 if you want. Again, as how many or how much or how little levels that you want to complete. Okay. And this has a little grid for you to help count spaces, if you could see. Okay, so you have to get to the scrap metal. And again, we have our audio feature here. Okay, you can see the little speaker and the play control. So let's see what we have to do here, because maybe I'm not sure.
Go get the scrap metal, BB-8. Watch out for walls and crates. Scrap metal looks like this.
Okay, and we have 2 more hints. See the light bulb? Okay, do you want another hint? Sure. Okay. Again, you can click, this is your workspace. Click on your workspace. The instructions will still be up here, the hints if you need. Again, use the squares to count the steps to get to the scrap metal. We're going to drag and drop. Okay, listen for that little click. All right, we're going to press run, make our program work. This is programming. Okay, and we have success. We're going to press the orange to continue. Okay, now let me show you the level for suggested for first and second grade. Again, either any grade level can use either puzzle. Again, you're welcome to watch the video. Okay, let me go a little bit ahead. There's another video here just focusing on that repeat or the loop block. It's pink, I believe. Okay, so whatever you put inside that block is going to repeat however many times you tell it to repeat. Okay, so maybe I'm going to move forward. And we look at this. That little one says we only can use one move forward block. It just changed from 1 to 0. So I am just going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it's kind of already done for you. Okay, it's going to get harder as you go. Okay, this goes in here. We are moving forward 5 times. The forward block is going to repeat 5 times. And as we move through this particular level, we don't have to tell BB-8 to collect anything, okay? You automatically will. As it goes. Okay. Success. All right. Now, so that's that. Work through as many levels as you can. Let me click on a book in Epic. Okay, and I'll show you what happens and how to get through. Okay, because we do see dollar signs again. I don't want anybody panicking or thinking they have to pay for something. Okay, so let's look here. Let's let it load. Okay, so of course it says try free for 30 days. They want you to make an account. You do not have to, because we have our library code, which is EJK3646. Okay, you can find it down here. All right. You can find it up here in our daily instructions. Okay, that's all you need to get to our book. It's a couple steps. So it does have the read to me feature. We want to read it. All right, we are going to click on log in. Okay, students and educators. Our class code, again, EJK3646. That's what the program gave us. One more step. Over here, we're going to click on guest account. Okay, just one general account for everybody, guest student, and that specific book will load. Okay, the book about stars. Using the arrow keys to turn the pages. Okay, let's see. Using the audio feature.
Ursa Major, or Great Bear, is a constellation in the northern hemisphere.
And there you go. Okay. Now, of course, once you get to the end, you'll be given related books, kind of like the YouTube videos do for you. If you like this, you may like that. You can also search other books. Any more questions? Here's some tutorials for code.org and Epic. Once again, it's basically what I just showed you. Okay, we have some extra movement activities, robot dance, our ABC yoga. Okay, Pebble Go, you can also access a Cinco de Mayo video or article as well. Okay, so it's up to you what you want to do. Try at least one of these activities as we focus and celebrate. May the 4th be with you. Okay, Cinco de Mayo, and happy Mother's Day to all the moms out there this Sunday. Enjoy your activities. I miss you all, and I really hope to see you soon. Take care.